To use the ELD Settings Validator, you will want to log into your system, go to Administration, System, and ELD Settings Validator. It will bring you to a page that shows all of the information on your users and your vehicles. A green check mark means everything's okay. A red X means there's information missing. To correct that information, simply go to the record that needs to be updated. I'm going to choose this one. When you click on the information icon at the end of the row, it will take you to the record that needs to be updated. And in this case, I believe, let me go back for a moment. The DOT number and the license information are missing. So under HOS settings, I need to add our carrier number. Under the driver settings, I need to add a driver's license number. And I'll click Save. Oh, I have to put the driver's license state in here as well. Let me select Florida. Now it's taking me back to my user list, but in the previous window, the Settings Validator is still open. Coming back in here, if I refresh the page, the user that I just fixed is no longer on the list, and the remaining ones that need to be fixed are on the list. In the same way, we can add the missing information from the vehicle. The license plate on the vehicle seemed to be what was missing. Oh, it's just the state or province that's missing. In this case, you want to use the 2-letter abbreviation for the state. Let's save that. Come back to the Settings Validator, refresh, and now that vehicle is no longer on our list of vehicles that need to be updated.